BC547 transistor, LED, 1K resistor. Let's begin. This is a BC547 transistor. Now take another BC547 transistor and collect the collector pin to the first transistor collector pin. Now connect first transistor and emitter pin to the second transistor base pin. Now take third transistor and collect the collector pin of the third transistor to the collector pin of first and second transistor. Let's make all the collector pin common. Now connect the base pin of the third transistor to the second transistor and emitter pin. Now take the LED and connect the negative terminal of LED to the collector pin of the transistor. Let's do soldering on it. Collect the 1K resistor to the positive terminal of the LED. You can also use a 9V battery here. I am using a lithium-ion battery. The resistor pin is the positive and the transistor and emitter pin is the negative pin. Now connect one copper wire to the base pin of the first transistor. Make a proper soldering on it. Now connect the positive wire to the resistor. Now let's do soldering on it. Now connect the negative wire to the third transistor and emitter pin. It's time for testing.